Parenting a child with ADHD. When it comes to family life, everyone strives to figure out how the relationship between parents and children can become ideal. Positive parenting techniques work well for raising children with discipline and good moral values and are every parent's dream. While ADHD is believed to be hereditary, effectively managing your child's symptoms can affect both the severity of the disorder and development of more serious problems over time. Early intervention holds the key to positive outcomes for your child. The earlier you address your child's problem, the more likely you will be able to prevent school and social failure and associated problems such as underachievement and poor self-esteem that may lead to delinquency or drug and alcohol abuse. Parenting behavior. What are the parenting behaviors that shape child compliance? Most research on parent-child interactions relies on correlational research or evaluations of package deal interventions that manipulate many aspects of parenting at the same time. Neither approach allows for identifying the specific parenting behaviors that shape child compliance. To overcome this, we systematically reviewed and meta-analyzed available evidence on the effects of experimentally manipulated, discrete parenting behaviors, a niche in parent-child interaction research that contributes unique information on the specific parenting behaviors that shape child behavior. Tips for parenting. Parenting is not a course of study. It is not a skill training program. It is not an art. And it is not a business, but is a natural love and mutual understanding between you and your children. Please stop underestimating your child. Instead, start understanding the child. Say no to comparison. Check your environment and your child's emotions. Education is not a life, but education is a part of life. Raising a child with ADHD isn't like traditional child rearing. Normal rule making and household routines can become almost impossible depending on the type and severity of your child's symptoms, so you'll need to adopt different approaches. It can become frustrating to cope with some of the behaviors which result from your child's ADHD, but there are ways to make life easier. Types of parenting. Authoritarian parenting. Authoritarian parents believe kids should follow the rules without exception. Authoritarian parents are famous for saying, "Because I said so," when a child questions the reasons behind a rule. They are not interested in negotiating and their focus is on obedience. They also don't allow kids to get involved in problem-solving challenges or obstacles. Instead, they make the rules and enforce the consequences with little regard for a child's opinion. They may also become hostile or aggressive rather than think about how to do things better in the future. They often focus on the anger they feel toward their parents. Permissive parenting. If those statements sound familiar, you might be a permissive parent. Permissive parents are lenient. They often only step in when there's a serious problem. They're quite forgiving and they adopt an attitude of kids will be kids. When they do use consequences, they may not make those consequences stick. Permissive parents usually take on more of a friend role than a parent role. They often encourage their children to talk with them about their problems, but they usually don't put much effort into discouraging poor choices or bad behavior. Uninvolved parenting. If these statements sound familiar, you might be an uninvolved parent. Uninvolved parents tend to have little knowledge of what their children are doing. There tend to be few rules. Children may not receive much guidance, nurturing, and parental attention. Uninvolved parents expect children to raise themselves. They don't devote much time or energy into meeting children's basic needs. Uninvolved parents may be neglectful, but it's not always intentional. A parent with mental health issues or substance abuse problems, for example, may not be able to care for a child's physical or emotional needs on a consistent basis. Thank you for watching. For more videos like this, subscribe our channel and click the bell icon.